Welcome to a new series I will be doing. It is called The Adventure of Qualagane. Don't worry, I won't speak different languages. It's just a little adventure kind of series. I hope you freaking enjoy. It will only be like for a little while. It ain't even gonna be that long. And so yeah, if you want to be a special guest on my TV show, come to 2271 Dewey Drive, 2271 Dewey Drive, compartment C1. It's in the condos. If you want to be a special guest, that's only if I have my tablet ready to film, or my camera, whatever one. So, yeah. I don't have a special guest today, because today we're just going to look at something just random. This is just to tell you about a series that I will be making. So let's go to my dog. I'll be right back. You might see darkness for a little, but that's for a special cause. Hey guys, so check this out. Who's breathing? Ain't that the cutest thing ever? Oh, now she's doing. What are you doing? What are you doing, little Missy? What are you doing, pretty girl? What are you doing? Come here. So, yeah. Cuteness overload. Pretty girl, come here. She is not a statue. See? She is an actual moving doll that you can pet if you're a special guest. Ain't I right? Yes, so that's the start. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and bye.